Please explain what neuroplasticity is.
What is plastic? Plastic is something that you can, right?
Plastic.
Mold.
I think most of us understand what
Yes,
plastic is.
Gurgaon is
Plastic.
It's not. Yeah, sure. So, earlier we used to think that the brain would freeze in its connections and everything till a certain age. After that, you're rigid. There will be no changes, and there can be some shifts, but not dramatic changes. Now we feel that our brain changes right till the day we die. It's under.
I think this is very recent.
Yeah, it's very recent. So neuroplasticity essentially is that you can keep making new connections. You can keep phasing the old ones out.
In your brain,
In your
through
brain.
neurons, you can create new
So
pathways.
what is brain essentially? It is a
So
jumble of
neurons, yeah.
wires.
Circuits.
मेरे को सब न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट अभी मार डालेंगे बट आई एम गोना सिंप्लीफाई so it's essentially connections, neurons connecting. Now when neurons fire, when a certain kind of neurons fire, they will connect in a certain way. Point is, neuroplasticity says that that connection can be changed. I'll give you a simple example. So we have this place, and as I was just telling you that I don't have a green thumb. The man has, and he's very protective of his lawn.
Your husband.
Yeah, my husband is very protective of his lawn. So there's a patch of lawn in his mountain home, and he's put out a kind of a chain around it, which he keeps removing or putting as and when. Now, why? Because right on the corner of that green patch, there was a path that got made, which was not supposed to be there. तो पता चला कि जो भी स्टाफ है उसको शॉर्टकट लगता है, तो वो उधर से जा रहे हैं. अब वो जाते जा रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ से ग्रास खत्म हो गया. So what does he do? He just puts a barricade around it so that nobody uses it. Few weeks down the line, the grass is back. Neural pathways are just like that. Keep using a particular pathway, it'll form a proper path, proper रास्ता बन जाएगा वो. जहाँ आपने उसको यूज करना बंद कर दिया, the grass will grow back, and you can make a new pathway or not make a pathway and be the man who's guarding his grass like life depended on it.
That is the best metaphor for neuroplasticity I've ever heard in my
Yep,
life.
it's great.
It's like it instantly sort of makes you understand.
What is fascinating to me is also that you mentioned that the seed started back in the 60s and the 70s, and since then the field of psychology or psychiatry is trying to understand this field.